Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This is our 2012 Lexus RX450 Hybrid. I'm just going to go through the procedures on how to jump start it. So once you have the hood open, on the driver's side you'll find a relay and fuse box. You need to pop open that cover. And in here you'll see this red terminal connection. I believe this is the Lexus positive terminal connection. They have a special name for it. That's where you're going to put the positive connection from your booster pack to, and the negative will go on a ground point on the vehicle. So there's the positive cable on the booster pack hooked up, and the negative's hooked up to a bolt that's grounded to the frame. And I'm using a Motomaster Eliminator battery booster pack. This is a 1400 peak amp, 700 cold cranking amps. And what you do is you turn this to the on position. And typically I'll leave that like that for a minute or so before I try to start the vehicle. Next step, you go in the vehicle and attempt to start it. My battery's fully charged, so I'm not going to do that process. Once your vehicle is running, turn your booster pack off, and then it's safe to remove the positive and negative terminal. And again, they just go on the back of the booster pack. Push down your positive terminal cover and reinstall your fuse and relay cover. It snaps down. And again, once your vehicle's running, close the hood, and you want to let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes to put some amps into the battery. And the big thing after is to find out why your battery died. Typically it's if something was left on, such as lights or whatnot, or your battery's on its way out, where you may have to take it into a shop to get tested. Anyways guys, just showing a quick video on how to boost a Lexus. Wondering where the 12 volt battery is? It's in the trunk. You pop open this cover and it's right there, right beside the spare tire in the back of the vehicle. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If not, take care, have a great day.